So, darling, that was what happened. I forcefully collected my money from her, went and bought the bread myself. But what baffled me was Mama's comment when she came out. Hey!
And see, I don't care about what Mama said. I'm used to that. She can say anything she'd like. But my concern was Chiamaka's refusal to run an errand for you. What's rubbish? What's happening? Chiamaka! Chiamaka!
Darling, please don't.
No. Am I not old enough to send for Chiamaka? I want to know.
No, you might be surprised. Maybe Mama told her not to answer you, like the way she did in the afternoon. She told her to wash Gineka's clothes first before going to buy bread for me.
This will not happen in this house. It will not happen before me. Excuse me.
Darling, wait.
What?
Wait! I'm the one begging you. Cool down. Listen, what we should be praying and begging God is for Him to bless us so that we will leave this house for them for good and get our own house. Eh? Bikona, stop this. Please, calm down. Please. Okay? It's okay.
It's okay. I'm fine. Just sit down.
I start now. They say I've started. When I start again,
Hey!
I don't just like it.
Don't make noise. Why are you just talking to yourself? What is it?
I told my daughter to call Chiamaka for me and she said that you told her not to answer me. Why?
What if I did? Dikeh, eh?
You really told her not to answer me?
Yes. Because she was doing something for me at that time.
Wait, let me ask you. You purposely ask that girl to ignore me?
Dikeh, let me correct an impression here. Chiamaka is not a housemaid. I don't know why you should be angry. Have you paid her school fees for once since on Onona? Eh?
Mama,
Azubike. Nabrala. I cannot rest again.
What can I do? This is total case.
No. When the final he went out, so hey! I don't know why you managed it. Welcome.
Thank you, my sister. How is your husband?
He's fine. He went out.
Oh. What of Wendy and Favor?
They've all gone to school. I heard their mother came to your house.
That one. It is true. She can gossip. She really knows how to gossip. Oh no, ton. She was telling me lots of things against you.
Jesus.
How you have been maltreating her. Treating her like a slave in her husband's house.
Me.
And so forth.
Me? Hey. Wait, you mean the girl took me to your house? Yeah?
Yeah, my brother Sanka. You see that girl? She said many things against you. She is an image destroyer.
Go. Can you please tell me everything she said about us?
Laura, no. If I open my mouth to say all the things she said against you, I don't think you and your husband will allow her to stay under the same roof.
Are you trying to hide it from me?
No.
No.
I don't want it to look as if I want to bring problem in your house. You are my friend.
You have already started saying it. Topono.
Is it really necessary?
It is.
It's not. I only mentioned it so that you have to be careful with her. You see Geneta and Chizoba. They are the only two daughters-in-law you have. As for Chidera, you have to be careful with her.
My husband will hear this.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Please, don't mention my name. Don't mention me. I just came to tell you so that you'll be careful. And you are saying your husband must hear this.
What Chidera does is is to carry my name along with her to wherever she's going. Asile, gossip!
Mama, are you saying that Chidera left this house to Auntie Ngozi's house just to tell her all this rubbish? I mean, these stupid things you've just told us.
Ngozi couldn't have lied to me now. Moreover, I know Chidera. Amami.
She'll do it.
Oh. That girl is a big fool. I don't blame her. Yes, I blame my brother. Because my brother should have sat her down and talked sense into her. Make her realize that you're her mother-in-law.
Chidera that's purely from one native doctor's house to the other.
Honey?
You've not heard. Chidera charmed Azubike. Yes, that is the talk of the town. That Chidera charmed Azubike. Why do you think he's behaving the way he's behaving?
You ask me, you have to do something. You have to start acting now.
Honey, did you say native doctor?
Chidera charmed Azubike. That is why he's acting the way he's acting.
Mama?
And we need to do something about it immediately.
I'm a native doctor.
Mom, you're right though. You're right. I think Azubike should be made to know that he's under a spell.
Mama, native doctor is involved. What difference will it make? Yes, because native doctor is involved. How will you do it? In fact, the only way it can make a difference is we taking my brother to a prayer house so that they will pray, in fact, conduct a serious deliverance. If not, my brother is no longer my brother.
Yes, Mama, I agree with my husband. And I know of a prayer house. All we need to do is just go straight to the pastor and he will give us solution. If not, as if he can want another power.
Honey?
What is it?
Prayer house.
Prayer house, didn't you hear what I said?
Well, I have to wait for your father to come back. Manifu Chidera.
What can I do? This is...
Please, I'm begging you, take this 5,000. By next week, I'll complete the 4,000 that is remaining. Please, I beg you.
Azubike. Eh? What kind of insult is this? You have to complete my money, oh. You told me to come here today. Now you are telling me a different story.
Yes, landlord, I know I told you to come today to come and pick the money. But I've not done anything today. Customers are here to come and pick their clothes. Please, take this one. I will pay you.
Azubike, you are playing with fire. You are playing with fire. Complete my money.
Landlord, how can I play with the fire? You're not fire now. You're a human being. Please, I beg you. I don't have money here.
Azubike, you must give me my money. You must give me my money.
Don't tell this.
Let it here, I don't care.
Don't tell this.
Let it here, I don't care.
Leave my trouser alone.
Give me my money.
See, even though I am a dry cleaner, this trouser is designer's.
Okay, it's designer. You will pay me my money. Complete my money, Azubike. Complete my money.
I am not a criminal.
Complete my money.
Leave me now.
Complete my money.
You don't want to leave me?
Yes.
You don't want to leave me?
It will have been better if you are a criminal. Your mother is a criminal. Azubike, pay me my money. Fine boy, no people. Pay me my money.
Good day, Mama. What is good about it? I'm asking you. What is good about this day?
Mama, it's just a simple greeting.
Ayongi, did I beg you to greet me? Eh?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah. What did you go to Ngozi's house? to say about me yesterday?
Me?
Me.
I didn't tell her anything.
Oji asi emoji. Chidera ina asi go. You didn't know I would find out.
Oh,
you didn't know that I would find out.
I still don't understand what you're talking about.
How will you understand? You don't ever understand anything. Eh? So Egukwegi, you went to Ngoze's house and tarnished my image.
Here, my hands are clean. No,
Don't you shut up there. Are you denying it? Instead of you to render apology to my mother, you're here denying it, making my mother a liar. Are you high?
Apology for what exactly? What did I do?
Chidera, I hope you're not challenging me.
With all due respect, Brother Paul, this matter does not concern you.
Hey, Chidera, don't even try it. Don't dare it. Not in my presence. Don't ever talk to my husband like that. Or when they make it.
Excuse you?
Excuse you, Nkegi Akunginezi.
Honey. Mba. Chidera, insult me. Talk to me. I don't blame you. I only blame my brother who gave you the backbone to talk to anyone the way you want in this family. No, talk!
I did not insult you, Brother Paul. I don't know what you are looking for.
Listen, if you say one more word, I will beat you, I will slap you. My brother will come back, he will not do anything.
You will beat who?
I will beat you.
You beat me, Chidera.
I will beat you.
Beat me now. Come and beat me. Beat me. Let me know if you don't sleep in the police station tonight. What is it?
Mama, what now?
Is it because I've been keeping quiet?
Mama.
Police station. Ago, Chidera, Ago. Why don't you dare me? Don't tell me to beat you. It is won't get back. Anumpam. Just leave her. Let Azubike come back. Okwagi? Ngiwa? Again? You want to walk out on me? Ekusigom? Asigom gipo? Eh? I am not done with you yet. You will stand there until I'm done with you. Nonsense.
Mama, if I'm here, I will kill this woman.
Police station. Chidera. Ini Edo. Eh? Ini Edo. You want to take my husband to the police station? It's me and you one day. Jemunagi. Obroma Nkegi na man. And Nyanga go to
Orodia. Orodia. What can I say to you? Say to you, unu niile ndi nwunye di, ogu nwunye di. It's buo ha ga. You wanted to walk out on me. Nke ogbo na ogbo.
What have I done? Why is my mother-in-law bent on depriving me happiness in this house? I don't know what brought about my visit to Ngose's house yesterday.
My angels.
Good day, Mom. Good day, Mom.
Good day. How was school today?
For that, Mom, Auntie did not give me homework. Mom, Auntie gave me one assignment today.
Alright, my angels. You go to your room and you remove your school uniform. I'm coming to do the assignment with you, okay?
Yes.
Let's start going.
Mom, what happened to you?
I'm fine.
You're not happy. Mom, is that true?
My angels. Mommy is alright. Mommy is happy, okay? Now go to your room. I'll see you later, okay?
Yes, Mom.
Well done.
Hey, you're back from work.
Yes, I'm back.
How is work today?
Very fine, very fine.
I've been longing to see you.
I hope all is well.
Azubike, all is not well. How could you allow your mother to subject your wife to slavery? Eh? Don't you know it is your duty to protect her?
I think because I just want peace to reign in my family.
Azubike, peace cannot reign if you cannot stand on your feet to protect your family, to defend them. I heard how your wife always cook in the house, doing everything. Even when Chizoba and Geneka, the younger wives, are around. Is it the right thing to do?
That's how I want it to be for now, but just for a while.
It is not true. You have to defend your family. Don't you know that this might affect your children's future if you go on keeping quiet? I am telling you all this because I care for you, your wife, and your children. If not, why should I bother myself?
No problem, I think as I've heard. Thank you very much.
It's okay. Bye, eh? Greet your lovely wife for me. Bye. It's okay.
Mama, delay is dangerous. You don't have to wait for Papa before you will talk to my brother. Call him, let's both of us talk to him with the language you will understand.
We will not have this conversation until your father comes back.
Why, Mama? Mama, wait. Are you afraid of something?
Afraid of Onye? Azubike or Chidera?
Mama, enough of this rubbish in this house. What did you tell my wife?
And what did your wife say I told her?
Shut up and start.
Will you shut up, you two?
Bia. Know what you told her?
Have you seen your life? Yeah, Azubike, you just came back from work. Your wife told you whatever she deemed fit. Now you're shouting at your brother without even hearing his own side of the story.
I don't want to listen to anything.
Because I'm ignorant of you gang up against my wife and I in this house. Because shut up! Okay, shut up! It's high time you start listening to your wife. Guy.
Come on! Stop it! What is your problem?
What is that? Eh? For what? Who is he? Who is that stupid boy? Eh? A boy that I used to help when I was in school.
You don't have to blame him. It's Mama that is causing all the troubles in this house. Eh? She's not behaving like a mother.
I'm so disappointed in Mama. How can she do that? Eh? She's now seeing me as a bad son. Meanwhile, I was the person that gave her a helping hand, even when the younger ones are punishing her. Eh? She's just hating everybody because she never wanted me to marry the woman she despised a lot. What's that? It's not okay. I'm so angry. I'm so angry.
No, but I'm begging you.
I am hot.
It's okay. Please, my love, it's okay. I'm begging you. Please.
Where are my children?
They are doing their homework.
Bring me water to drink.
It's okay. Please.
It's okay. I'm good. Just give me water to drink. My dear, my landlord came to the shop again today and gave me the highest embarrassment of my life.
Darling,
that is what I got today.
Darling, how come? Didn't you give him the 5,000 I wanted to give him?
I gave him now. I gave him the 5,000. He insisted that I must complete his money. I begged and begged and begged this man. Please, by weekend or next week, let me complete the money for you. He refused.
Are you serious?
The worst part of it was that this man rushed me. Rushed my trouser. Even cut my bottom. I'm telling you.
I hope he didn't wound you.
He wanted to cut me naked on the road. I was begging this man. Please collect this 5,000 now. I'll balance you up. Say, Cha. Even asked me to leave his shop. That I should just vacate that shop. I don't know what to do.
So, what are you going to do now?
My dear, is a terrible thing now, but as for me, I'm ready to quit that job.
My love, how can you quit the job? Where will you get money to get a new one, a new shop? Or what would you even be doing if you quit?
Don't bother yourself. I have a plan. Yeah. Okay.
You're okay?
I'll tear this my fine trouser. You see that body trouser self? Yeah, this is what it is. What can I do? Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning. How was the night?
Bye, Papa. Sorry for disturbing your sleep.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Go ahead, tell me what you want to tell me.
Papa, it's about our piece of land at Obata. You said you're going to share it last December, but till now, I don't know what happened.
I decided to postpone the sharing because you know very well your brother Gozie was not around. Eh? So
there is no need postponing it. All of us were around now. Eh? I want it to be done this week.
This week?
Yes.
Why? In Achuziami?
Papa, I want to farm on my own portion this farming season.
Then what stops you from farming on that land? Just take as much portion as you can farm on. Then farm on it.
Papa, you don't understand. I want you to do it by yourself to avoid problem. If you do it now, you won't do it again.
It's okay. You have to go to work, eh? By evening, I'll give you a feedback.
Okay.
When you come back.
What was he saying?
He was asking me to go and share the land at Obota. That he wants to farm on his own share of the land.
No? That's not true. I say. There's no point, Nazubike, waiting till evening. Just call him back and tell him that you are not sharing that piece of land until December.
Wait.
Should I call him for you?
You mean I should call him back?
Rapoba, let me go and call him.
Did you just use the bathroom? I asked you a question. Did you just use the bathroom?
Yes, I did.
So you used my water. My bucket of water, and it didn't occur to you that you replace it for me.
I saw a bucket of water in the bedroom and I did not know you were the owner of the water. So I used it. Is there any problem?
Why will you use it? Are you the one that kept it there? Why didn't you replace it afterwards?
How was I to know that you're the owner of that water? Tell me. Hey, so is that why you called me?
Eh? What is it?
My skinny cow. She used my water, the water I kept in the bathroom, to get my soap dish. And she didn't replace it. Am I a housemaid that I'll be the one to keep water for her to bathe?
Is that all?
Mama, that is all. I saw a bucket of water in the bedroom and I didn't know she was the owner of the water, so I used it. That is why she's doing all these things, just talking to me anyhow because of water.
And
Mama,
Why would you keep water in the bathroom when you knew you were not ready to have your bath? Eh?
Wait, Mama. Is that all you have to say?
What do you expect me to say? Okay, Bikono, let us not continue with this argument. We have a tank filled with water. Eh? And you, go and wear something. Go and cover up.
Mama, down so.
Go and fetch water. Hey, it's one alum bucket. The water is enough now. It's a corner wufu.
Baby, what is the problem?
I went to bathing room to bathe. Then I saw a bucket of water she left. She left that water since I was doing something else. So I had to use the water and bathe. That's why she's so angry, nagging and all these things. I don't understand how.
Wait. You mean you used the water she left in the bathroom?
Yes, now. I saw a water and she wasn't ready to use it, so...
Baby, you are wrong this time. Since you know the water she left there is her water, why didn't you fetch your own fresh water and use? Come on.
I don't understand. You are not blaming me.
Yes. Baby, Chidera is my elder brother's wife. And I've told you this time without number to try as much as possible to stop having issues with her. Please.
No, blame me. Go ahead and put the blames on me. Blame me. Me, I'm always wrong. Chidera is the right person. Don't just blame me. Everything, it is Chidera. No wahala. Blame me. I always know she's a good person. No problem.
You know what? I don't have time for this. Where's my shoes?
It should be somewhere in the parlor.
Office rules. Work.
Look at the way you are shining. Eh? There is nothing like living in your husband's personal house. You'll be doing anything you want to do, anywhere, anyhow.
Yeah. I'm so happy. I don't want to go through this ugly experience of living in a family house. I cook and eat whatever I like, without being monitored by a third party.
My dear, in my next life, God in heaven will not allow me to marry a man that still lives in his family house.
No. Well, it depends on the parents of the guy. The ladies of my friend, she and her husband live in her husband's parents' house. But the guy's parents are very good people. You needed to see the way they pamper her.
But still, there's this joy in living in your own husband's personal house. Now I envy you. You do what you like, anyhow you want, however you want to. Look at the way you are shining. Mama.
Good day, Mama.
Yes. Keep your greeting to yourself. So, this is what you come here to do. To give her wrong advice and cause confusion in my house.
Mama, what have I done?
The question should have been, what have you not done?
Mama, what is it?
Did you just ask me what it is? Just shut up. I don't have your time yet. So this is what you do. You will leave your husband's house to come here to create confusion. Okay? Eh?
Mama, what is all this? You can't just intrude into my privacy just like that.
Hey! I didn't want to shout though. But did you say privacy? Privacy in my husband's house. Or not possible. Because I don't have your time yet. Let me finish with her. Would you get up and go? What are you still sitting there doing? I want to carry my
Mama, stop this now. You can't just chase my guest away just like that. She's my guest.
Mwagola. Eh? Ujukunie?
Mama, leave me now, please.
This is my house. Get up, Mama, leave me now. What is that?
Mama, you are looking for my job. Mama, you are looking for my job.
Oh, yeah, now. Go before I stain your white. Go before I stain your white with this thing. Anumpam. You see the kind of friends you bring here? I was there, Nigga. I envy you. I envy you. But look at you. Look at you. Here and there, the kind of friends you bring to my house.
Mama, what is all this now? What have I done to you? Look at you, the way you just embarrassed me in front of my friend.
Why? This is my lunch. Tell them Chin-chin.
Mom, give me the drink now. At least I bought it with my money.
Do you have money? Is it not my son's money? You tell him Chin-chin now. Here are my lunch. Near if your man about it.
Mama,
bring that Chin-chin for me. Near if your man about it. What's this, sir? Where's that Chin-chin?
Mama, you have no right to chase my wife's visitor from this house. You have no right to do that.
Hey, yeah, Azubike. I have every right to do anything because it is my house.
No, my father's house. Yes.
If you say that again, I'll curse you.
Mama, let me tell you that I'm your son does not give you the right, the impetus to curse me or to treat me like a slave.
Subo Ibo, when you finish the Ibo, you tell me. But you see that land? Your father will not share it till December. Kolo?
Yeah, you don't have right or you don't even have hand in that land. Papa has the final say over that land.
Okay.
Yes.
So we shall see.
Mama, this is your attitude. I don't like it, oh. It's getting out of hand. I don't like it. Stop it.
Yeah,
stop it, oh.
Mamola.
Bullshit.
Yinsa. Mbogini. Anampam. Sad.
Papa, I was not happy about it when Mama told me. How could you allow Azubike to influence you into sharing the land before the time you planned for it? So, you wouldn't have told me if not that Mama had said it to me.
Well, Paul, I'm sorry. I did not tell you or you did not hear. But I think if my wife had told you, it is assumed I had told you. And for the sharing of the land, Paul, I want to let you know that it was I, myself, that fixed the date and time of the sharing of the land. And I still have the right to change it to before that time or behind it. Do you get me? I cannot reason why you have to interrogate me now about sharing of the land.
No, Papa, for this one, no, it's not proper. Besides, you don't know the motives of my brother telling you to share that land. You don't know.
So is that your headache? What concerns you with his motive? Everybody has a motive. It doesn't concern me. Once the land is shared, everybody takes his own and does whatever he feels like doing with the land. You get me?
I am sorry, Papa, you're not sharing that land.
What?
You're not sharing that land.
Paul, you're not serious.
Papa, be a man of your word. You're not sharing that land.
What is it?
No, there's no problem. There's no problem. Yes.
You didn't call
There
me.
is no problem. Since all of you have decided to talk to your father as you want, there is no problem.
I thought you said nothing.
There is nothing. There is nothing.
Anyway, you didn't call me back again as you said last night.
Yes, I decided to leave everything till this morning. At least to sleep over it. Actually, I decided to suspend every arrangement concerning that land.
Papa, why?
Yes, because you did not tell me anything, any arrangement or any plan you have for the sharing of the land. How would you just wake up in the morning and say that he shared the land?
Papa, see, you're the head of this family. You shouldn't allow Mama to be telling you what to do. But if you don't want to share that land, or as I requested, I'll just do it my own way.
Your own way? Did you see your own way? Azubike, are you threatening me?
Papa, you've heard me. You just heard me.
I said, come back here. I said, come back and let us finish what we have just started. What kind of children are these? Are they doing the part of their mother or what?
You didn't go to work today.
No, Auntie, today is public holiday.
I didn't forgotten. What of your children?
They're fine. Hey, Auntie, I came to talk to you about something.
I'm all ears.
You know that things have not been rosy with me and my husband.
I know.
He has been having problem in his shop. And he talked to me that he wants to change his line of business. In fact, last night he told me his intention of traveling abroad.
Huh? Where will he get the money from? I could remember the huge amount of money my husband spent by the time my two sons, Eduzie and Ifeanyi, traveled out of the country.
Actually, Auntie, he doesn't have that kind of money. So he talked to his father about sharing their land at Obota, so that he will sell his own share of the land and use the money to sponsor his trip abroad.
That's a nice idea. It's a good one. And what did his father say?
That's why I'm here. Papa is not the problem, but Mama. She has vowed that the land will not be shared till December.
Oh, why, Kwano? Eh? Laura should encourage your husband now, not discouraging him. Eh?
Auntie, please. I know that both of you are best of friends. Please, talk to her. In fact, beg her for me. Biko. Oh? Let her know that my husband is not the problem here.
I know. Azubike is a nice man. Don't worry. Eh? I will talk to her. Okay? She must do something.
I'll be on my way now.
Wait, let me get something for you.
No. Don't bother yourself. Thank you. Okay. Please, Auntie, I'm counting on you.
No problem.
Beg her, beg, please.
Oh, don't worry. Eh? Consider it done.
Yay! Azubike wants to travel abroad. Hey!
Hey, what is going on here? I am talking to both of you. What is going on here? Come down from there. Listen, I am not going to warn both of you again. Here is not a playground. Did you hear me? Here is not a playground.
Leave her here alone. Leave her here.
I am not going to warn both of you again. I am not going to warn both of you again. Inania?
Our father said anytime he's not around, that we should play.
Is it your useless father that built this house? both of you should get it into your thick head.
Chineke, you call our father useless?
Yes, he's useless. A man who does not have right over his wife is useless.
Tell my father when he come back.
Shut up! This is little compared to what I will do to you. If you tell your father what I do
now,
the same thing goes to you. Don't move so strong.
Wicked woman. Wicked girl! Don't worry, tell my father when you come back, you'll see. I'm the owner of this house. Is it not our father?
Sorry, yeah? Is it paying?
This is not your house, oh. This is our father's house. In fact,
Bia. Bam bam bam. Bam bam bam. Oye neighbor. Anybody home? Ngo.
Welcome.
Thank you. It's like you were busy at the backyard.
Yes, so I was working on my farm at the backyard. Let's go inside and have seats.
Hi, Mbao. This weather is too hot. Let us stay here.
It's okay. I hope all is well.
Ngo, all is not well. At all.
What happened?
Azubike has put my house on fire. As usual. Last night, no.
I don't understand what you mean by that.
You remember that our land at Obata that my husband wanted to share last year?
Yes, I remember, yes.
Azubike came back last night and told my husband that he wanted the land to be shared this week. I asked him why. Why does he want it to be shared so suddenly? He said that he wants to farm on his land this rainy season. I told my husband he's lying. And because of that, that land will not be shared until this December. Trouble everywhere.
Laura, my sister, you might not understand why I'm laughing. Chidera was here a few minutes ago.
Chidera came here?
She told me about the land issue and the controversy it generated. Azubike wants to sell his part of the land and travel to Obodo Oyibo.
How did you know?
Chidera told me. Your son wants to quit his business and travel out.
What would be my next step if my father insisted that he would not share the land until December? I've never disobeyed him before, but this time, I have no option than to fight for my right.
Officer, he's the one. Arrest him! He's the one. Arrest him! Arrest him!
What is it? Landlord, it has not come to this now.
Officer, arrest him!
Young man, a case of conduct was incidented against you at the station. And your attention is needed at the station right now.
For what? Officer, I've paid this man all the money that I'm owing him. What is the one for me?
Oh, you thought I was joking when I asked you to leave my shop? Officer, arrest him!
Well, like I said, you're under arrest, young man. When you get to the station, you know the...
Okay. Ekene? I'm going to the station. Yes, I'm coming.
What were you doing outside?
Hey!
What were you doing outside?
I was discussing with Mama.
Which Mama? Mama that went out.
Mama is back. Mama is back. You won't believe what Mama just told me. You will not believe it.
What happened? What did she tell you?
Your brother wants to travel abroad.
Which of my brothers?
Azubike, your brother, plans to travel abroad, and that is why he's been pressuring Papa to share the land.
Stop jokes, oh. How did Mama get that kind of information? Where?
Mama said Auntie Ngozi told her. What do you mean I'm joking?
Auntie Ngozi?
Yes!
Honey, are you sure about this?
I'm giving you fresh information. You're saying if I'm sure. Go and ask Mama. Chidera went to Auntie Ngozi's house and told her all the information about how Azubike plans to travel. Even Azubike sold his own share of the land just to travel.
Yeah. Azubike thinks that he's smart. No, smarter than me, Paul. To think of it. Why did he not deceive Papa? That he wants to use his own portion of land for farming.
That is it. That is the problem. He deceived Papa.
Wait, where's Mama? Where's Mama?
Mommy, someone is calling you.
Oh, it's your daddy.
Eh?
Hello, darling. What? Hello? I don't have airtime to call him back.
Let me go and buy airtime for you.
No, go and call Chamaka for me.
Okay.
Let her come and buy me coffee. Okay. He's calling back. Darling, what were you saying? What? How? Go up.
Is everything alright?
Everything is fine.
Mom, what did Daddy say that got you upset?
Nothing, I'm fine. Let's just go inside.
My dear, I pleaded with him to forget about the police thing, but he insisted on locking me up. If not that you came, I would have slept there.
So, what do you intend to do now?
My dear, I am tired of that man's trouble. I really want to stop. I'm tired of that business. I want to face my new arrangement. Let me just focus on my new arrangement.
Darling, why don't you tell your father the reason you want the land shared as soon as possible?
I really don't want them to know. I want to take them unawares.
So you're going to wait till December because he said he's not going to share the land till then.
I have to sit with Papa again. I know Mama is the one telling him not to share the land.
My point exactly. That's why you should tell him about your plans.
My dear, I don't want them to know yet. I don't want them to know what I had in mind. I want to take them on our ways. Baby, he might not really understand why I want to keep it secret.
It's okay if you say so.
Let me focus on my plan.
What do we do now? Nothing. Don't tell Daddy. I'll tell him. If you tell, Chiamaka will beat me.
She will not beat you. Let us tell Daddy about it.
Please don't tell Daddy. Please don't tell Daddy.
Why would she say that Daddy is useless? Daddy must hear about it.
Chiamaka will beat me if you tell Daddy.
What is going on here? Favor, why are you begging Wendy? Wendy, what did you do?
Nothing, I did not do anything to her.
And why is she begging not to tell Daddy or what? What was that? Favor, why are you begging her?
I did nothing, but Chiamaka told us that you are useless.
Chiamaka said I'm useless.
Yes, Daddy.
That I'm useless?
She said that you are useless.
Why would she say something like that?
She said you have no control over money.
That's why I beg Wendy not to tell me. I don't want Chiamaka to beat me. Why do you tell Daddy?
Is it not you that told him? Do not call my name, because me, I'm going to sleep. Leave me alone. Let me go.
Who can break the aqua except you, Papa?
Mama, where is Chiamaka? Mama, where is Chiamaka now?
What happened now?
Chiamaka told my kids that I am useless. Can you imagine? What kind of insult is that?
No, Chiamaka couldn't have said a thing like that.
How? Who threatened Favor not to tell me? Because if she does, she will beat her.
I told you that your children have started telling lies. They learnt it from their mother. Quick to get now.
And what is that? Meaning what? That my wife did what?
It's just a plot by your wife to get Chiamaka punished.
What kind of insult is that?
Chiamaka,
what did you tell Favor?
Nothing, no.
Meaning what? You don't know what to say again. What did you tell Favor?
No, I did not tell her anything.
Meaning what? The way you're defending this girl in this house is wrong. Even when she's right or wrong, you're defending her. Let me tell you, whatever you sow, you shall reap. Akunabo.
Mange? How can you be passing judgment in this matter like that? She has told you, no worry, home. Oh, we are here.
No, Mom.
Did you tell these children that thing? You sure?
Yes.
In the Mahanya King.
Mama.
In the shop?
No, I cannot say anything.
You sure?
Yes.
Oh, I was hearing it. I was listening. You thought I've gone. I couldn't now.
Because you're in a make wine.
Bullshit.
If you touch an anozo, get out.
I called all of you here to inform you that by this weekend, we all are going to Obuata to do the sharing of that land.
Excuse me, Papa. Papa, you told us earlier this year that that land in question will be shared by December.
Yes.
Why are you going back on your words? Why?
I said so, and I went ahead to make some other explanations. Are you saying you did not understand my explanations? Or you want me to start afresh to begin talk about them again?
It is obvious you're doing this thing because of Azubike. But he has not told us why he wants you to share this land before the scheduled date.
Mama Azubike, you are drawing us backwards, please. Whatever is Azubike's reason, whatever his motive for selling his land, that is his own. Every one of them will have their piece of land each. And anyone has the right to do whatever he wants to do with his own piece of land. So I wouldn't like anybody to interfere to anybody's business. It's not my business. It shouldn't be yours. Let's allow them freedom to do whatever they want to do.
Boy, Mama, Papa is right.
Right about what, Anumpa? Listen, everybody must not contribute when intelligent people are talking.
No.
If you don't have anything reasonable to say, you just shut up and listen.
Mama, I love you for that.
Azubike thinks we will not know about his plans of traveling abroad. Anybody who wants to go abroad, should go. But nobody is selling the piece of land that belongs to the entire family.
I'm in support of what Mama just said. Our land is not for sale.
Yes, one.
Papa. Thank you very much, sir. I thank you so much. I love what you just said. God,
Papa, tell him. Papa, you better tell him. Tell him that you're not going to share that land. If Azubike wants you to share that land because he wants to sell his own, tell him that you're not going to share it. Oh.
I don't know why you and Mama...
Hey, what there?
Why are two of you causing unnecessary troubles in this house? If Azubike wants to sell his land, allow him to sell it.
Shut up your mouth. If you talk again, I will break your head. Are you mad? I will break your head.
Paul, good to go differ.
We are not going to sell our land.
Good to other thing.
Hey. Paul, let me tell you. I don't care whatever you want to say or whatever you want to do, but the only thing is clear. I must stand by the truth. Gidibam. Nothing but the truth. Allow him to do whatever he wants to do with his lands. What's your problem?
Yes. Yeah? Shut up. Azubike, you have not said anything on this.
That I'm not saying anything? Have I not bared my mind? I've said everything. What else do you want to hear from me?
Go and tell Azubike that the family land is not for sale.
Oh, yes.
Go and tell him.
Yes.
Mama Azubike, it is all your fault.
How is it my fault?
You did not play your card very well. You should have made it a private talk between you and your husband. Using your power as a woman to influence him.
Ngo, I did everything I could. But my husband is afraid of Azubike. Now, Chidera is laughing at me. Can you imagine that?
Let me tell you the truth. Chidera is the only problem you are having in that house.
I know.
You have to devise a means to tackle it before it becomes too late.
Ngozi, I honestly do not want my son to travel. Because if he does and eventually becomes rich, Chidera will turn me into her personal slave. I don't want Azubike to go. I don't know what to do.
And you would not want that.
No, I don't want Azubike to travel.
The only weapon you have now is to stop him from selling his part of the land.
How? How do I do that?
I will tell you what to do, so that no one will be able to buy it from him. But that would be after you people might have shared the land.
Your hands do not touch it again. Your hands do not touch it again.
Okay. Time to go go to bed. Remember, tomorrow is school. Early to bed.
Early to rise.
Good girls. So, off you go. My hug. Daddy's hug. There you go. Yay. Good night, my angel. Good night. I love you, girl. Okay, off you go. Don't forget your balloon.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Night. No. We're coming for the night prayers.
Why don't you say the prayer?
I wanted us to discuss first before the night prayer. You see, since the issue of this land started, I've not been myself. So I went to see my pastor today. I'm sorry about that. He prayed for me, and after the prayer, he told me that he saw a hand holding you from moving forward. So he gave me 1 week fasting and prayers.
How many times have I warned you to stop going for all these prayer houses? After all we passed through the last time.
Darling, I'm sorry, but you don't expect me to fold my arms and watch things go wrong. We need prayers in this house, in this family.
Obedience is better than sacrifice. You could have obeyed me first. You know these pastors, they take advantage of people anyhow.
My love, Pastor Chuka is not like that. He doesn't collect a dime for prayers, unlike other pastors. The Bible says that by their fruit we shall know them. He's a good pastor. Sweetheart, please, it won't kill us to do the prayer. Please.
Azubike, I'm happy for you. At least the land has been shared at last.
Thank you.
You have to forge ahead with whatever plans you have.
Correct. So I am very happy that the land is on a very good site.
Your father and my brother told me about it on phone. And I like that. I encourage him to go ahead and do it. The earlier, the better. So I am in tune with it. I'm happy it's been done.
Uncle, I heard that you're back, so I came to tell you that my own portion is for sale, in case you see any buyer.
It's alright, not a bad idea. Okay. I'm going to talk to 1 or 2 of my friends who I'm sure have the capacity to buy. Yes, I will.
You do that for me, Uncle?
I will.
I'm so happy.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
I'm so happy. I will. I know you need it, and you need to move forward as a young man. So I will give you every encouragement that I can.
And I can help as well. I'll have to contact 1 or 2 people.
As I know you can do it for me. Please, just do it and I'll be so glad.
Azubike, you don't have any problem. I will do it and even more. The only thing you have to do for me is just my agent fee.
And thank God you too like money.
You're businesswoman. You're a young businesswoman. No, but then there's something good. Get him something to eat.
Let me bring food.
I'm good with the drink.
Okay.
Very good. Uncle, I will start going now.
Greet your father for me.
Okay.
I'll see him.
Greet my friend.
I will. Yeah, Uncle, please remember.
You will change the full time now. I will call it. Take care of yourself, eh? Wow.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Let everybody face his own life.
Yes,
to avoid unnecessary conflicts.
It will help him as well.
Yeah.
There is nothing wrong with it. Huh? God, please. Try and understand. You know I'm a believer. There is no way I can put my hand in such a thing. Oh?
Then we have to forget everything about it.
Mbao, we are not forgetting it. Why don't you go? I will give you the money. Biko. How much is it?
3,000 naira.
Biko. Biko, oh, thank you very much.
No, I can do everything for you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. As soon as I'm back, I will let you know.
Okay. Oh, that's all.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Mama trouble, evidence enter. Mama don't check. Biggie trouble. Abugini kamere mama jemme mi fa. Mama, can you mere gini kamere nemo jemme mi fa. Mama, can you mere mama bige mwini we nemo rema. Mama, can you mere mami mere gama yambara.
But you've not told me the outcome of your visit with the agent.
Okay, I met with the man. He said he likes the place. And he's going to come with a buyer tomorrow. Until then.
Okay, so how much are you going to sell the land?
I told him 1.8 million.
That's a bit on the high side.
We bargain it over now.
Okay. What if the buyer prices 1.2 million? Are you going to sell it?
What I'm selling it is 1.4 or 1.5.
Are you sure you're going to see someone that will be willing to pay that amount?
My dear, everything is in God's hands. You understand? I am going to... In fact, my target is to sell it 1.4 or 1.5. Then I use 1 million for my travel, give you the rest to take care of yourself. What is it? Are you angry for what I said?
It's not like I'm not happy, but I'm just thinking of how I'm going to cope if you travel.
Honey, I am not running away. This is your husband's house. Okay? You have to stay back and fight for our rights.
Darling, you don't understand. I know what I'm going to face in your absence. You can imagine what I'm going through now that you are here. Not to talk of when you...
Don't worry, you will be fine. With God by my side, once I get there, our lives will never remain the same. Trust me. Cheer up now. Cheer up.
I asked this girl to sweep this compound. Chiamaka! Yes, auntie. What happened? I thought I asked you to sweep this compound. Are you not the one I'm asking? Okay, take that broom and sweep everywhere.
Okay, take. Go and buy something for me. Buy noodles, 200 naira.
Hey, my friend, come here. I'm watching Kitty, you walk out on me. Are you high? Are you a fool? My friend, pick up that broom and sweep this compound.
Okay.
Hello, I sent you on an errand and you're acting confused. Come on, go and get what I sent you to get for me now. If you move an inch, I will skin you alive. Pick up that broom and sweep. Now!
Chiamaka.
Ma.
What are you doing there?
Answer now. Because you don't have respect. Nancy goes, you get confused.
What is going on?
Mama,
Can you imagine that I sent Chiamaka on an errand and Chidera wouldn't let her go?
I've only said again.
Mama, I was the first person to send her on an errand. Mama, look at this compound. Everywhere is untidy. I asked her to use the broom and clean up, sweep this place.
It is very untidy. Yeah. Make it very tidy.
I should take the broom and...
You should start dancing on top. Bia, Chiamaka.
Ma?
Your Auntie Chizoba sent you on an errand, okay?
Run,
go and buy it.
Ngwa, before I open and close my eyes, move now!
Go and rest. Go and rest.
She should go and rest and I should sleep.
Are you not the first wife? You're supposed to be bringing everybody together with a unity. Fani Osa, Ini Uchi. Oh, okay, say me. Start sweeping. And after sweeping, Ibianyemuni, I go gym.
What can I do? This is total Casio. Guinea cake and she's my mother for facing, not before hearty. She's my mother for facing, not before hearty. She's my mother for facing, not before hearty.
How do you see the place, sir? The land is okay. I can pay 1.3 million if the price is acceptable. Transaction begins.
1.3 million, sir. It's okay, but you know the land I'm giving to you is in a very good site. At least take a look at it. 1.3 million is not enough for the land.
You show that I like it. I can pay 1.4 million net.
1.4. Zubi. We see now.
Okay. Excuse me.
1 minute, sir.
My dear, the man gave me 40,000 to have the place surveyed immediately.
Are you serious?
Immediately, yeah. God has started his good work on us.
Yes, indeed.
I called the man and he told me that he wants everything about the transaction to end this week.
Immediately. Hey! God of mercy. God, you have finally remembered us.
Yes.
After all the suffering. Yes. Hey! And it is marvelous in our eyes.
I even called my friend that stays in Lagos. He told me that once the business got matured, that I should start coming down to Lagos.
Immediately. So that means you'll be leaving us soon.
Please, where's my children?
They are taking their siesta.
Okay.
I've been shouting. Ngozi, Munye Benu.
Sorry.
At some point, I thought your house is sound-proofed.
I didn't hear you. I was here preparing to cook.
There is trouble.
Trouble?
Big trouble.
What happened?
Chidera has been dancing around my compound since morning.
Why?
That Azubike is about to sell his land. Somebody gave him money to survey it immediately. That means they have agreed on the price.
Is that why you are worried?
No. This thing is not working. It's not working.
Laura, my sister, go and rest. I mean, you should go to your house and sleep. Rahora. Nothing is happening. You see that portion of land? No one will ever buy it from Asubike. If they like, let them call 1 million people to survey it. Nothing is happening.
Chidera na-agba onye nwe emewo ya, onye nwa menya pay o, nke nwa me nke nwe. I almost had BP.
Laura, you will not kill me. I want a BP anyway.
That is why I do not want Azubike to travel. That is why I do not want Azubike to travel. Chidera will just kill me. That girl will kill me. She will finish me.
Laura, are you afraid?
Yes, so.
Don't be afraid. As I told you earlier on, no one will buy that portion of land from them. Don't mind Chidera. She is only fooling herself.
Need the shop.
I'm sure. Have you forgotten who I am?
You told me that you called the man yesterday. I've been waiting to hear from you. You never told me anything. This is not our arrangement. What is happening?
To be frank with you, honestly, I'm totally confused. I don't know what to do. I've been calling him since yesterday. He's not picking his calls.
What is the problem?
I can't say. He refused talking to me. And I've tried to know if it's the price, but I don't think it has anything to do with the price.
My brother, see, anything you can do to help me, please do it. I will appreciate it. I need to do this as fast as possible. Please.
I told another man about the place. I will take him there tomorrow next.
Okay. Please help your brother, please. Please.
No problem. No problem. I'll call you tomorrow.
Okay. Okay, I'll be waiting to hear from you.
How did it go?
Yes, I met him, but from what he told me, he said the man is no longer interested in the business.
How? Why? I mean, what happened?
My dear, the summary of the whole thing is that the man has lost interest in the business.
The devil is a liar. God. Why?
But my agent found another buyer. He said he will call me tomorrow to tell me how far he has gone with the man.
Darling, please, if you will agree with me, let's go and see my pastor. Please don't argue, don't say no. Let's go and see him. Please don't say no, please.
I don't need that now. My head is not just together. Okay? Let me get something, okay?
Who can break the aqua except you, Papa?
I want to dance. Emego ma activate my dancing mode.
Mama, can you talk and go look?
Odim kanalo. Yoma chuku nemeremo. Ngwa wele eba.
Onyo mere kalia biko wele akayelu. Odim kanalo. Ifoma chuku nemeremo. Onyo mere kalia biko wele akayelu.
Otwa.
Odim kanalo. Ifoma chuku nemeremo.
Besolum baba.
Onyo mere kalia.
Anya wele akayelu.
Hey!
God!
Hey, Laura, my sister.
Oh.
Afternoon, my dear.
Hey!
No.
No.
What is the secret?
Ha! Chiamaka, book uncho. Sweetie!
Hey!
Chiamaka, Gabakene, I'll call you later. I'll call you. Good news.
Good news. Hi! What happened?
All the buyers are running away.
Hey! But I told you not to bother yourself.
You said it.
I asked you to relax. This is just the beginning. Chidera. She must surely come to beg for forgiveness.
Chidera will suffer. She will suffer. Oh, yeah, Jesus will be well.
Everything is in your hands.
Mama.
Mama, I told you.
Oh God. Father, you are the all-knower. You are the one that maketh the impossibility possible. Father, you said in the book of Isaiah that no weapon fashioned against us shall prosper, oh God. Father, you said in the book of John, O King of Glory, that the enemy came to steal, kill, and destroy, but you have come to give us life in abundance. Father, King of Glory, Father, destroy my husband's enemy. Destroy his enemies, O King of Glory. All the enemies that are drawing him back, that are setting him back, O King of Glory. I destroy them by fire, whether they're in this family, in the village, anywhere they are. I don't want to know, because you have given me authority, because I believe in you, because with you everything is possible. Oh King of Glory, come and give us victory. All the witches and wizards, wherever they are in this family, in the village, wherever they are, there is destroying my husband's progress, O King of Glory. I destroy them by fire. I destroy them by fire. I come against them, O King of Glory. Father, you say you have given me, O King of Glory, given me the authority to trample upon snakes and scorpions, and nothing, they shall not harm me, O God. Abba, Father, King of Glory, and trample on them now. I destroy them by fire. I destroy them by fire. King of Glory, Prince of Peace, Rabo Sekere Bebe.
When you think you're smart, some people are smarter than you. And I do man, oh whatever so workshop. Ochu wakuko wanda, wakuko wansa. Achu kata wabanyo, achu banya no.
Hey. Baby, you're back.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So how is work today?
Fine. So why are you seated here like this? Are you alright?
I'm good. I'm okay.
Darling, are you sure? You don't look too happy to
for real, I'm okay. What did you buy?
Good stuff. Mama, good day.
Please come. Let's go inside.
Who can break the yoke except you, Papa?
This is my anointing oil now.
And then? Huh. So what now?
Taking it without my consent is stealing. And stealing is a sin. Nazwike, you commit to go.
So I have stolen your thing now?
You commit to go.